Hey guys, welcome to Obliteration Nation. I'm Kyle.
And I'm Justin. And if you're like a lot of people, you're probably wondering, what is Obliteration Nation?
Well, we actually have a few questions to ask you to find that out. Do you like explosions?
Oh. Do you like watching things explode?
Do you like slow-mo?
Explosives.
Do you like watching things explode in slow motion?
If you're like any sane person on Earth and answered yes to all of those, then this is the channel for you.
So, you might be wondering, what are we going to do on this channel? Well, basically, we really want to see if things can withstand being exploded.
Or how high we can blow something into the air.
Or how many pieces we can just blow something up into. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Whoa! So if that all sounds awesome to you guys.
That is awesome.
True, it is awesome. You have to be crazy not to think so. Subscribe, ring that bell for us.
And comment down below with what you want us to do.
Because we at Obliteration Nation, we feel that everything has the opportunity to get obliterated.
You've got the ideas, we've got the explosives.
Obliteration Nation. Later, guys.
See ya.